Hello students, today we are going to study characteristics of an entrepreneur. To become an entrepreneur, what are the special characteristics are required? Now entrepreneurs have some special characteristics like creative thinking. He should have creative thinking ability, imagination. He should think beyond the others. He should have that much imagination. He should imagine in future what is the company progress, in future what is the scope of the company. Enthusiasm, he should be enthusiastic. He should be sincere to his organization. These are all special characteristics which is required to become an entrepreneur. Now beyond this, or having these characteristics, entrepreneur should have some of the other characteristics like intellectual capabilities. As an entrepreneur should be creative. He should have creative thinking. An entrepreneur is a creative thinker. He has a reasonably good intelligence, therefore, or that is why he is called an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur should be all-rounder. Means he is the owner of the business. He is the manager of the business. He is going to take decision for the business on behalf of the business. Means he is doing each and every task in the business. Therefore, an entrepreneur should think beyond the limit. He should have creative thinking. He should have a good intelligence capacity. He has ability to analyze the business situation. He should think about the future, about the business situation, about business environment. This ability will help him to take a proper decision. Means an entrepreneur intellectual capabilities should be like that. Means he should be a creative thinker. He should have a good intelligence. He should analyze a business situation which will help him to take a proper decision. Second characteristics of an entrepreneur is future vision. An entrepreneur has a good foresight about future market situation. He should also have knowledge about external business environment. External means outside the business environment, like a political environment, social environment, technological environment. These are all external environment. This will help him to take a proper decisions according to the situations and change in the market. So he can take timely action for the same. Future vision means he should think about the future. What will be the future of a business? What will be the future market situation of a business? So entrepreneur should have a good foresight about the future market situation. He should also have a knowledge about, जो एंटरप्रेनर होंगे उनको नॉलेज होना चाहिए अबाउट द एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट, एक्सटर्नल बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. ही शुड ऑल्सो हैव अ नॉलेज about the internal environment. Internal environment is the most controllable factors, whereas external business environment is uncontrollable factor. That is why he should have a knowledge about external business environment. Having knowledge about external business environment help the entrepreneur to take proper and timely decisions. So second important features or characteristics of an entrepreneur is future vision. Third characteristics of an entrepreneur is hard work. An entrepreneur is ready to hard work or work hard. It is more necessary when a new venture is started. If you are starting a new business, if you are starting a new contract, then entrepreneur should be ready to work hard. He has to work for a long hour because it is a starting time At the starting time of a venture, of a new business, an entrepreneur has to work for a long hours. Many a times he has to handle the main areas of business independently, as he is the person who is going to own the business, manage the business. He is going to take a decision on behalf of the business. Therefore, sometimes he has to handle the main areas of business independently. This will make him successful. So till now we have studied three characteristics of an entrepreneur. One is intellectual capabilities, second is future foresight or future vision, third characteristics is hard work. Now fourth characteristics of an entrepreneur is technical knowledge. An entrepreneur has a good technical knowledge about his business. The entrepreneur has ability to update himself with the latest knowledge about the product, process and technology. To become an entrepreneur should have a good technical knowledge about his business. If there is some changes or updates are required, then in that case he should be updated with the latest knowledge or latest technology about the product, process and technology. Like take one example of corona. Now because of corona, many teachers have to take online lectures. You may be knowing about this. So many teachers do not know how to use the computer, how to use laptop, how to use mobile or how to take lecture online. So because of corona, many teachers have to update herself about the latest technology, about the product, process and technology. Like he or she has to adapt the changes which is required because of corona. So say in the same way, entrepreneur should also have to change himself, update himself with the latest technology. So fourth characteristics of an entrepreneur is technical knowledge. Fifth, communication skill. An entrepreneur needs to communicate with different people. He has to communicate with different people like customer, supplier, creditor, employees, government, many. So he has to communicate with different people. He must be able to express his ideas and strategy effectively, as he is communicating with different people which is related or which is directly or indirectly attached with the business. He should be able to express his ideas and strategies effectively. It is necessary that there is a proper understanding between the sender and the receiver of the message. Like if I am taking a lecture, if you are not understanding, then in that case effective communication does not takes place. So to give effective communication, the sender of the message should communicate properly so that the receiver of the message understand it. So that is known as proper understanding between sender and receiver, and that proper understanding will takes place with the help of communication skill. So entrepreneur should have a good communication skill to communicate with different people like customer, supplier, creditor, employees, etc. to express his ideas and strategies. Sixth important characteristics of an entrepreneur is highly optimistic. Optimistic means he should be highly positive thinker. An entrepreneur should always think positively. He should always hopeful and confident about the market situations, even in failure time. Such positive attitude help him to run his business successfully. Means an entrepreneur should be highly optimistic. He should be highly positive thinker. He should think everything positively. He should always have a hope and confident about the market situations, even in failure time. If there is if there is not a favorable market condition, in that condition he should have hope and confidence that in future a company will progress. Such positive attitude help him to run his business successfully. Seventh characteristics of an entrepreneur is risk bearing capacity. A successful entrepreneur takes calculated risk. He should be ready to face challenges and always seek new and more opportunity. So a successful entrepreneur should have this quality of risk bearing. He should bear the risk. He should be ready to take challenges and always seek new and more opportunities. That is known as risk bearing capacity. Last characteristics of an entrepreneur is he should be self confident. Self confidence means he should have a positive desire to achieve his goal. Such self motivation keep him strong and confident to face various obstacles in the business, various barriers in the business. So an entrepreneur should have, or an entrepreneur has a self confidence. He should have a positive desire to achieve his goal. So these are all characteristics of an entrepreneur. Let's see again what are the characteristics of an entrepreneur. First point is intellectual capabilities. Second, future vision. An entrepreneur should have an intellectual capabilities. He should have a future vision. He should have a good foresight about future market situation. An entrepreneur should be a hard worker. He should work hard for the business, especially when he is starting a new venture or new business. Fourth, he should have a technical knowledge about his business and he should adapt himself according to the changes, according to the latest technology, latest knowledge. An entrepreneur should have a proper communication skill. That proper communication skill will help him to communicate with different people, because with the help of communication skill he will be able to express his ideas and strategies effectively. So there should be a proper understanding with the help of communication skill. So an entrepreneur should have a proper communication skill. Next, an entrepreneur should be highly optimistic. Optimistic means he should have a positive thinking. He should always think positively that some or the other day a company will progress. Such positive attitude help him to run his business successfully. Next is risk bearing capacity. An entrepreneur should be a risk bearer. He should have the capabilities, or he should be ready to take challenges and always seek new and more opportunity. Last important characteristics, he should be self confidence. An entrepreneur has self confidence. He has a positive desire to achieve his goal. Such self motivation keep him strong and confident to face various problems or obstacles. Thank you. In next video we are going to study what are the qualities of a successful entrepreneur. Thank you.